Have you ever wondered how video games are being created and wondered how you can make your own video game? If so, these videos will point you in the right direction so you can start learning how to make your own video games. Making a video game can easily become a really complicated subject, so let's break it down a little. When big companies are creating a video game, they usually have a big team of people to work on all of the different aspects of the game. These people and what they do can easily be broken down into 4 different categories. These categories are art, audio, design, and programming. But realistically, most of us don't have this huge team of people to work with to create a game. We are known as indie developers, which basically means we work alone or in a small group that is not owned by another company that makes games. That means we have to do all of the work ourselves to create our beautiful, amazing games. There are many tools you can use to speed up the process of developing solo, but we won't get into those yet. In this series, we are going to be creating a game that closely resembles the game FORAGER. If you guys have any special requests to things that you guys would like to see me make tutorials on, you guys can make requests on my Discord and the link is in the description. To dive a little bit deeper into what we're going to be doing in this series, I'm first of all going to tell you what game engine we're going to be using. We're going to be using the multi-platform game engine called Unity. The reason we are using Unity is because we want to use an engine that's way more user-friendly to beginners, because let's say if we were going to use Unreal Engine, we would be actually coding in C++ unless we use blueprints. And we do not want to use C++ because it is a way more advanced coding language than C# is initially, and we just want to keep it more simple for this first part of the series until we start moving to more advanced topics. That's pretty much it for this video, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, and if you'd also like to support me a little extra, you can visit me over at Patreon at patreon.com/codedetox. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.